Hello everyone, I'm Hardianto Melkiapasyuli and I'm a nursing student at UNPI University. And now, in this video, I will explain about the units in the hospital and specialist doctor and what are the duties of a specialist doctor. And the first for now, I will explain the unit in the hospital. And the first is medical unit. In the medical unit, we have a polyclinic, emergency room, a surgery room, a clinical laboratory, a doctor room, medical warehouse, the waiting room, and radiology, rehabilitation, pathology, and psychotherapy. And the second unit is inpatient unit. In there are medical treatment, medicine room, bedroom, consultation, nursing station, and pantry. And the third is nursing unit. There are pharmacy, medical records, nurse room, polyclinic nurse, and sterilization or clean utility and counseling room. And for the fourth unit is administration unit. There are headroom, secretary room, staff room, personnel room, a finance, a general administration room, a meeting room, files, information and registration, and security. And the last unit is housekeeping and technical. There are ambulance warehouse, general warehouse, mechanical, electrical, multi-purpose room, laundry, cleaning service, and engineering. And the next, I want to explain you about a doctor specialist and what is the duty of specialist doctor. And the first is internal medicine specialist. Internal medicine specialist, also known as internist, is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating a number of health problems experienced by adult and elderly patients. Example is immune problems, heart disease, diabetes, hypertension, respiratory disease, and kidney disease. Second is pediatrician. Pediatrician, also known as pediatrician, is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating patients aged from 0 until 18 years old, generally all diseases that occur in childhood. Whether physical problems, behaviors to mental health will be referred to a pediatrician. However, it is possible for pediatricians to also cooperate with other specialists. And for the example, when dealing with psychiatric problems, the pediatrician will work closely with psychiatry, or when the child's conditions require surgery, the pediatrician will work with a pediatric surgeon. And the next is neurologist. A neurologist is a doctor whose job is diagnose, treat a patient with disease related to the nervous system, from the brain, spinal cord, to peripheral nervous system. Neurologists usually treat stroke patients, nervous system infection, inoperable tumors, autoimmune disease that attack the nervous system, seizures, movement disorders, muscle disorders due to neurological disorders, mi- migraines, dementia, and peripheral neuropathy. And the next is obstetrician and gynecologist. According to this title, obstetrician and a gynecology specialist has special expertise in two fields, namely expertise in pregnancy and childbirth, and expertise in reproductive health. The files obstetrics serves all things related to pregnancy and childbirth, both normal, both normal and problematic. Meanwhile, the field of gynecology serves complaints related to reproductive, reproductive health, such as menstrual and menopause problems. And next is a dermatologist and gynecologist. A skin and genital specialist is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing and treating skin and genital health problems both experienced by men and women. There are many diseases related to the skin and genital. However, some health problems that are generally treated by dermatologists and genital specialists are skin allergies, fungal infection, herpes, skin cancer, and various sexually transmitted infection. And the next is ENT specialist. An ENT specialist or otolaryngologist is a doctor who specializes in diagnosing, treating people with ear, nose, and throat disorders. Health problems that can be handled by ENT specialists include sore throat, tonsillitis, sleep apnea, sinusitis, ear infections, to tumors in the head and neck. And the next is ophthalmologist. An ophthalmologist is a doctor who has expertise in dealing with eye health problems. In addition to conducting a examination, ophthalmologists can also prescribe medications or glasses and also perform a surgery. Eye health problems that are usually treated by ophthalmologists include vision problems, eyelid problems, eye irritations, twinkle that doesn't go away, uh, or age-related eye disease such as contrast. The next is psychiatry. Psychiatrists are doctors who specializes in mental and behavioral health. Psychiatrists deal with problems related to emotional, psychiatric, and behavioral disorders of patients through counseling and medication. Examples of mental health problems that are generally treated by psychiatrists are depression, bipolar disorders, schizophrenia, dementia, autism, addiction problem, and also sexual problem. And the last is a dentist. Dentists are not necessarily specialists. Dentists are doctors who specializes in dealing with dental and oral health problems. A dentist degree can be obtained without taking a general practitioner education first. That are there are various dental health problems that are usually treated by dentists, ranging from bleeding gums, sensitive teeth, cavities, that chronic bad breath problem. Similar to general practitioners. Dentists can also take their own specialist education, including oral surgery specialists, pediatric dentist specialists, orthodontist, oral disease specialists, and prosthodontics specialists. Pediatric dentistry specialists, orthodontists, oral disease specialists, and prosthodontist specialists or denturists. So that was the my explain for the units in the hospital, doctor specialist, and what is the duty of doctor specialist. And before my video is finished, I will explain you my university. So what's next video?
Selamat datang di Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado yang terletak dekat dengan kawasan bisnis Bahu Mall Manado. Tempatnya di Kelurahan Bahu, Lingkungan 3 Manado, sangat strategis di pusat kota Manado. Dibangun di atas lahan seluas 2,5 hektar, Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado berdiri megah dengan ruangan 7 lantai, terdiri dari ruangan kelas, ruangan kantor, perpustakaan, laboratorium komputer, laboratorium keperawatan, pengadilan semu, dan laboratorium bahasa, kantin, serta rooftop di lantai atas. Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado memiliki 6 fakultas dengan program studi, yaitu Fakultas Pertanian, Prodi Agribisnis, Fakultas Hukum, Prodi Hukum, Fakultas Teknik, Prodi Teknik Elektro, dan Teknik Sipil, Fakultas Ilmu Sosial Ilmu Politik, Prodi Ilmu Politik, Fakultas Sastra, Prodi Sastra Inggris, Fakultas Keperawatan, Prodi Ilmu Keperawatan, dan Profesi Nurse. Didukung oleh sumber daya manusia yang berkompeten dan tersertifikasi, Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado memiliki dosen dan tenaga kependidikan dengan latar belakang S2 dan S3 lulusan dalam dan luar negeri. Proses belajar mengajar dilaksanakan dengan teknologi informasi merujuk perkembangan dunia modern saat ini, dilakukan dengan sistem e-learning dan sistem ujian online atau ULAIN. Hasil tracer student Universitas Pembangunan Indonesia Manado dan fakultas menyebutkan lulusan UNPI sudah tersebar di dalam dan luar negeri. Selamat bergabung putra-putri terbaik bangsa. Kembangkan dirimu, raih cita-citamu setinggi bintang di langit. Kami siap menghasilkan generasi terbaik dan pemimpin di masa depan.
My presentations of my university, and I hope for the next time is your time to join us. So thank you and very welcome.